What does Ingress Timeout mean on Instagram? Let's get started with the video. First, open any browser on your device. Ingress Timeout often happens when Instagram servers are down, so click on the search bar and initially search for "Is Instagram down?" Now visit the down detector and check the live graph. If there is a noticeable spikes in the report, it means Instagram servers are having issue. In this case, you will need to wait for Instagram to resolve the problem. Next, check your internet connection. Simply search for speed test and tap on any trusted site. If your internet speed is too low, consider switching to a stable Wi-Fi network. Furthermore, if the problem still exists, try clearing the cache to remove any glitches. Go back and open settings on your phone. Then scroll down and tap on apps. Likewise, select manage app and search for Instagram. Here, click on clear data at the bottom right, and from the menu that appears, click on clear cache. Lastly, confirm your action when prompted. There you go. I hope this video helped.